When you learn something new, it can be challenging and time consuming because we all have one big question. And that is, which is the best and easiest way to start? And that's exactly the point where most people quit their journey. After watching hours of random tutorials, you'll get frustrated with all the new terms and techniques you need to understand. It's like learning mathematics for the first time and starting with integral equation. It's just not possible, and it's the same with music production. But it can be simple. Every new topic can be structured in a few key elements. Those are the fundamentals that carry the whole construct. Identifying and outlining those key elements and creating an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide is the most efficient way to learn something new. And that's why we started Sinejump Music Production. We are a network of producers that join forces to simplify the process by creating simple, fully animated, and well-structured tutorials. We believe that explaining the concepts with animations and combining them with real-world examples will make the process much easier for you. We are excited and can't wait to hear what you will create. I'll see you in the following videos.